everybody, I am Happy Blonde from Puerto Rico and you're watching the YouTube channel Beautiful Women by Sonia Baloch. In today's video, we're going to be covering Foundation 101, how to properly set your face. And that may seem something really basic, but a lot of people don't know how to do it, or they don't know some hacks that can help you along the way. So first off, apply skincare. Skincare is going to take care of your face so much before applying makeup. Now let's talk about color correcting. A color correcting oil like this one is one that you apply in areas of your face when you want to even out your tones. And they have to be complementary colors. For example, purple and yellow are opposites, red and green are opposites, and the white is for highlighting. I am not going to go into the purple right now, but the purple is to apply it to areas of your face that you feel are like too bright or too yellow. That's where you would apply the purple. Now I'm going to apply the yellow underneath my eyes because yellow cancels out purple, so it's going to help out with the bags underneath my eyes. I do this when I am party princessing. I am a party princess company owner, and this really helps me get those character clean faces very well. But if you want a very flawless looking foundation, color correction is going to be your best friend. So you can apply it with your fingers or with a sponge. Just have clean fingers when you do apply them. Now, as we mentioned before, green cancels out red, and sometimes we do have way too many red areas of our face. I get them on my lower cheek area, so that is where I'm going to apply the green. You don't have to exactly go ham with the colors because trust me, they will help you out and show up nicely when you do that foundation. Just make sure that you are applying a very thick or medium to high coverage foundation when you are color correcting so that the colors look way better. That is just in my own personal opinion and what has worked for me before. Now I'm going to apply the white part on the areas that I want to highlight. For example, my cheekbones. Sometimes I do apply it on my nose, and depends on the look that I want to get, and my cupid's bow because I love to accentuate my cupid's bow. So definitely apply it in areas that you want to stand out. Now let's talk about foundations. There are different types of foundations, but in the liquid realm of foundations, you have very light coverage foundations, and then you have medium to high coverage foundations. I like to use the light ones during the day and the medium to heavy ones for nighttime looks, professional shoots, for work, or when I need the foundation to stay on all day. So I'm just covering my entire face and neck, never forget your neck, with a brush. And since brushes sometimes leave streaks, I like to go in with my beauty blender and just blend everything flawlessly all together. Now for concealer, you have stick concealers like the one I am holding here, and you then have liquid concealers, which are my own personal preference. I think that you can use them and blend them even better, so I am just applying a triangle underneath my eyes to continue to cover those under eye bags and in places that I do want to highlight or stand out. Next, we have powders. You have pressed powders, which are the ones that you find in Walgreens, CVS, and those types of stores like the one I am holding here. And you also have translucent powders, which are the ones that I do like to use. I think that they set your face a whole lot better, and they come in containers like that. I'm going to cover my entire face with it so that I don't have any sticky areas and the foundation really sticks to my face. In the end, I like to go in with a brush and apply a very thick layer of that translucent powder underneath my eyes to continue to conceal those under eye bags, sorry. And I just leave that there for a couple of minutes. And yeah, that is how to get the best out of your foundation.